Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, anong meron sa inyo ngayon, no? So, tignan natin kamusta kayo. So, another reading na naman tayo again for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So, tignan natin kamusta ang ating mga fire signs right now. Holy Spirit, Universe, please, kamusta po ang ating mga fire signs right now? Anong meron po para sa ating mga fire signs, please? Anong meron para sa ating mga fire signs, please? Ano pong meron para sa ating mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. So, meron ng 2 cards ang tumalon. So, let's see what these cards are. So, you have this vision, no? And the other one is guidance, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? You have this vision, no? So, ang sinasabi rito, I think for you, fire sign is you have to see clearly, no? Sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, wag kang basta-basta naniniwala lang sa physical na nakikita mo, fire sign, no? For some of you, maybe, with this, kung makikita mo, third eye, kumbaga, kilalanin mo or look inside, no? Hindi lang sa labas, no? Kumbaga, siguro for some of you, fire sign, madali kayong, I think, madali kayong madala or madali kayong, yung madala ng isang tao or madaling makuha yung loob nyo, no? For some of you, no? Kapag parang mabait lang kausap, parang naniniwala na agad kayo, no? For some of you, fire sign. So, ito yung nakikita ko dito, no? So, you have to see within, no? So, something like that, no? Kailangan kilalanin mo munang mabuti ang isang tao bago ka magtiwala ang fire sign, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito sa vision, no? Kumbaga, hindi naman literal na may third eye. Kumbaga, mas kilalanin mo, hindi lang physical na ano yung, yung kailangan mong tignan. Kailangan tignan mo yung kaloob-looban. So, kilalanin mo munang mabuti ang isang tao bago ka magtitiwala, no? Something like that. And the other one is guidance, no? So, yeah, maybe meron din tong connection doon, no? So, for some of you naman, maybe you are seeking guidance, no? Kung ano man itong may mga gusto kang itanong, may mga, 'di ba? You are seeking guidance through tarot din, no? Tarot readings, no? Or maybe nanonood nga kayo, something like this, no? So, nanonood nga kayo, no? Or for some of you ay marunong din kayong mag-read ng mga cards, no? For some of you, no? So, ito yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, some of you are no, seeking guidance, no? So, maybe, kung kailangan nyo ng may mga katanungan kayo, for some of you, fire sign, no? Maybe, ang the best option nyo before going to something like this, no? Kung talagang meron kayong mga gustong kailangan ay, yun nga, for some of you, dito din nanonood, no? Kumbaga, nanonood kayo to seek guidance para baka may mga kasagutan sa mga katanungan nyo, no? Something like that, no? Or, kung talagang may mga gumugulo sa isipan nyo, why not ask your immediate family about it, no? So, yun nga, di ba? Parang kung ano man tong mga gumugulo sa isipan nyo, pwede kayo humingi din ng guidance through your immediate family, your friends, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan pa natin anong meron pa na sitwasyon para sa ating mga fire signs dyan, no? So, tignan natin. Ano ba tong mga sitwasyon ng ating mga fire signs right now? So, let's see. Universe, please. Ano pong meron para sa ating mga fire signs, please? Aries, Leo, Sag. So, kuha muna tayo ng mga cards for you, fire signs, no? So, what else, please, Universe, Holy Spirit, para sa ating mga fire signs, no? Please. What else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng cards for you, fire signs, no? Para sa sitwasyon ng mga fire signs. So, may tumalon na din. So, kuha pa tayo, no? Tingnan pa natin. 2 cards pa po para sa ating fire signs, please, Universe. So, one more card. So, yun na. May umano na rin. So, ano kaya yan? Tignan natin. Mga fire signs. So, you have this lockdown, mental prison, confined, no? So, for some of you, maybe you are feeling stuck right now, fire sign, no? So, maybe for some of you rin ay you are dealing with depression din, no? So, you are being stuck in a situation, no? Or in a problem na pinagdadaanan mo, no? Fire sign, no? So, yeah, for some of you, no? Or for some of you naman, fire sign, literally na naka-confine right now sa hospital, no? Something like that, no? Or someone is in jail, no? For some of you, no? Or someone is going to jail, no? So, yeah, for some of you lang, no? Maybe, merong, yeah, for some of you are in depression, no? I think, mentally, no? For some of you, because, will be going to jail, no? Or will be going to a mental institution, no? To be locked down, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? So that's what I see here with this card, no? So I don't know if who is this person, no? Maybe someone you know, no? So let's see what else na nakuha natin. So you have this escapade, vacation, no? So for some of you, fire sign, maybe you are going in a vacation, no? Going some adventures, no? And then yeah, getting away, kumbaga, being away from a toxic situation, no? Being relaxed, no? Somewhere na you are free, no? Something like that, no? So tignan pa natin, ano pa. And then, you have this nightlight, gamble, take a risk, no? Vegas. So, let's see, tignan natin, ano pa ba itong iba? Twin flames, the one mirrored souls, no? You have this twin flame. And the last one is settlement, agreement, compromise, no? So yeah, no? I think this one um will be or being locked down, no? Maybe this is a different person na fire sign. I don't know if this is you or someone, no? Or not, but then ang nakikita ko kasi rito, no? So maybe you are this, pwede rin na this is you, fire sign, no? You are feeling stuck, no, with a situation right now, and you want to escape, no, with that um lockdown, no, or with that, ano man pwede nating sabihin, yung itong you are being trapped, no, in a situation, and then you want to escape, no? So maybe for some of you, ito na nga, no, you escape na, no, from that I think a toxic situation, no? So and then kumbaga, you are taking risk kasi, no, kasi you are escaping, 'di ba? You are escaping, and at the same time while escaping, you are taking the risk, no? You are taking the risk because you are escaping from a situation, no? So parang bahala na kung anong mangyari, something like that, basta gusto kong umalis dito, something like that, no? And then with this twin flame, maybe some of you are dealing with a twin flame, no? Kung ano man, soulmate, twin flame, no? For some of you. And then maybe you will having this settlement agreement, no? I don't know kung ano ito, parang medyo magulo yung, but then yeah, no, basta ang nakikita ko dito, ang mga fire sign is someone is in a toxic situation who wants to escape, no? Who wants to take the risk to escape, no? So I don't know kung ito ay may kinalaman sa twin flame, no? Or maybe someone is want to escape from a toxic situation, something like that, to go towards with another person, no? Something like that, no? Gusto niyang pumunta sa ibang person, no? Parang may gusto siyang puntahan, no? Parang gusto niyang tumakas dito sa isang toxic situation para pumunta kung kanino man, no? Something like that, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? So, for some of you, maybe with this twin flame, no? Whoever it is, soulmate, twin flame, no? And gusto niya dito makipag-settlement, no? Parang gusto niya na magkaroon ng settlement dito sa twin flame na to. That's why gusto niyang makawala rito dito sa na-trap siyang na sitwasyon, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see what else para sa sitwasyon ng mga fire signs, please. Universe, please. Madami masyado. What else para sa ating mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Kuha tayo ng mga cards muna for you, no? Fire signs, no? So, tingnan pa natin. Please, Universe, Holy Spirit, so, ano to? One more card na lang po. One more card, please. Universe, please. Universe, please. Holy Spirit, please. What else? What else, please? So, dalawang card ang lumabas, no? So, tignan natin yan. You have this autumn harvest, no? So, may lumabas din na seeds, no? For some of you, no, yeah, no, tignan natin to. Fire sign, no? May reflection, seeds, reflection, north node, cosmic, purpose, awakening. You have this healing, inner child, karma, no? So, meron pala dito, no? So, kaya meron ditong toxic situation, no? Someone has awakened from the toxic situation, kaya gusto niyang makaalis, no? Something like that, no? So maybe for some of you fire sign ay nangyayari to or nangyari na sa past, no? Someone you are in a toxic relationship, no? For some of you fire sign, no? So yeah, someone escape, no? Someone ay umalis sa toxic na sitwasyon na to, no? And you are in a healing process, no? Kung sino man tong na-awaken na ito ay right now nasa healing process siya, no? So for some of you, no? So or maybe yeah, kung kayo man itong nasa toxic relationship who wants to escape, no? So right now, dahil na-awaken na kayo, no? So, nalaman nyo na yung sitwasyon nyo na very toxic pala itong relationship na to. That's why you have been awakened, no? So, right now, you are in a healing process, no? So, but then you are still trapped, no? But then you have this, inner knowing, no? You have this, you are aware na yung sa totoong status ng inyong relasyon, no, fire sign. So, take what's resonate. So, for some of you, because you are awakened na, no, so, mas marami na kayong nalalaman, no, mas napapag-aral, kumbaga mas nakatuon na kayo sa sarili nyo, no, you are wanting to escape, to do your purpose in life, no, parang sabi nyo kasi, ayoko na dito, gusto ko naman magkaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay ko, no? Something like that, no? So, with this reflection naman and projection, no? pinagbabalik tanaw kayo sa nakaraan, no, na ayaw nyo nang maulit muli, no, for some of you, because you are going towards na with your purpose in life na, no. So for some of you, fire sign, no, because soon kung ano man yung hinahangad yung justice for you dahil sa isang sitwasyon na toxic, no, soon justice will be served, no, karma will be served, no, it will be balanced na, no. Kumbaga, once na ito na ay nangyari na tong justice na to, 'di ba? Etong seeds mo na ito na itinanim mo before, fire sign, soon you will harvest it na, no. So for some of you, kung nawalan kayo ng meron pa palang cards dito na nahulog, no. So meron pa pala dito, no, action, no. So yan, no, meron ditong action. So once na yung itong seeds na tinanim mo, ito yung mga pangarap mo na hindi mo natupad because you are being trapped in the past, no, sa isang sitwasyon na hindi maganda, no, and then you escape, no, for some of you, fire sign, no, and then you are moving forward your purpose in life dahil you are awakened na, no, you are in a healing process right now, no. So you are being courageous, no, to take the leap of faith, no, talagang umalis ka na sa isang sitwasyon or take what's resonate, no. So ito lang yung nakikita ko, so maybe for some of you hindi pa to nangyayari. So kung ano yung mga nakikita ko rito, maybe ito yung mangyayari sa inyo in the future kung ito yung gagawin mong path, no. For some of you, fire sign na who are in a toxic relationship right now, no, or who have been in a toxic relationship, no. So ito yung mga path na dadaanan nyo, no, something like that, no. So you have this courage, no, nagkaroon kayo ng lakas ng loob to escape that situation, no. And then because you are awakened na, you are in a healing process, no, and then you are moving towards or forward towards your purpose in life, no. Kumbaga mas marami ka nang gustong gawin sa buhay mo right now. Yung mga seeds mo before, yung mga pangarap mo before, fire sign, is gusto mo na ulit i-pursue, no. So that's a good thing, no. So yun na, no. So you are taking actions na, no, towards new beginnings sa iyong buhay, no, right now. And then and wag kang mag-alala because soon justice will be served, no, kung hinihintay niyo man to, fire sign, no. So wag kayong mag-alala, justice will be served soon, and of course kung ano man tong mga pinaghirapan nyo o kung ano man tong mga dreams nyo ay soon marireceive nyo din, no. Magaganap din lahat to, makukuha nyo rin, no, because you will be balanced na, no. Magiging balanced nga dahil justice will be served and karma will be served dun sa mga taong nakasakit sa inyo, right? And with that, ma-harvest mo na itong mga pinaghirapan mo, no? Something like that. And but then beware, no? Someone is spying on you, watching you, no? Fire sign, no? So maybe itong person na iniwanan nyo ay spying on you, no? So be careful, no? Kumbaga may nagmamasid sa bawat kilos nyo, kaya kailangan wag kayong masyadong maingay sa mga plano nyo sa buhay para hindi masabotahe ng ibang tao, right? No? So, tahimik lang kayo kung ano man itong mga pangarap na ginagawa nyo ngayon na gusto nyo maabot right now. So, kasi ito na, sinisimulan nyo na, no? And soon, wag din kayong mag-alala dahil sa universe, lahat ng pinaghirapan nyo, lahat ng paghihirap nyo, lahat ng pasakit na ibinigay sa inyo ng ibang tao before, karma will be served, justice will be served, huwag kayong mag-alala. At ngayon, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, fire sign, no? Huwag kang matakot, huwag kang magpadala sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Focus on your goal, focus on your purpose in life, no? Purpose in your life, in your dreams, no? Focus on your dreams, no? And soon you will harvest it, no? Surely, no? makukuha mo rin 'to 'no, because this is your time na 'no, kasi nakaalis ka na sa toxic relationship na fire sign. So, maganda 'yun 'no. So, tignan na lang natin, anong advice for you or message for you ni universe 'no, ni God for you, fire sign regarding your situation right na 'no. So, tignan natin, message or advice. So, may tumalon. So, ano 'yan? Message or advice from the universe, no? For you, fire signs. So, you have this snow angel. What is this? The signs are with you already. So, sinasabi dito ni universe na you have all the tools na, no? Fire sign, no? Kayang-kaya mo na tong malagpasan tong mga pagsubok na ito. Basta magtiyaga ka lang sa sarili mo, no? So, nasabi, the signs are with you already, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, lahat ng kailangan mo ay nasa sayo na. 'Di ba? Lahat ng hinahanap mo ay nasa sayo na. Kailangan mo na lang 'tong gamitin ng maayos, 'di ba? Gamitin mo na, gawin mo na towards your new beginning, towards your purpose in life, towards your dreams, your goals, at soon magiging victorious ka, magiging successful ka, whatever it is na ginagawa mo ngayon, no? So, continue lang sinasabi sa ni universe, ni God, because they are with you, no? So, wag kang mag-alala, makikita mo rito, kahit na ngayon ay parang you are in healing process pa, right, no? So, medyo parang dark ka pa, medyo cloud, but then tingnan mo yung paligid mo, maliwanag na. Meaning, si universe, si God ay ginagabayan ka. They are with you, your guides, right, no? They are they're guiding you towards your new beginning hanggang maging successful ka, fire sign, no? So, dire-diretso mo lang yan, fire sign, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire sign, no? I hope may naka-resonate dito, mga fire sign, no? So, maganda yung naging kilos nyo, no? For some of you, kung ganito, kung lalakasan nyo lang ang loob nyo, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire sign. So, I hope may naka-resonate dito, no? Again, and yeah, pray lang lagi kay God, no? Hingi kayo ng guidance and huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, anumang paghihirap, anumang sakit ang pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, lilipas at lilipas din yan. Basta maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo and of course, kumapit kayo, have this strong faith kay God at hindi niya kayo pababayaan. Iga-guide niya kayo towards the light, no? Towards dun sa maliwanag na buhay, right? No? So, kung ano man pinagdadaanan yung madilim, patungo pa rin kayo sa liwanag, basta kapit lang kayo kay God, no? So, that's why, no? So, yeah. God bless you all, fire sign, and thank you for watching, fire signs.